Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw money from Wise to your bank account. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and go to our Wise dashboard. So from your Wise dashboard, go to our settings section. And as you can see that I already have my connection verified. Now, I want you to focus on the connected accounts option. In order to connect your bank account and receive the money from Wise, simply select the country in which your bank account is located. As you can see, we can only support certain countries in the list below. In case your country isn't available, I can show you an alternative method in another video. So, if you're in the United States or Canada though, simply choose that option, complete the verification steps to proceed, and that's all you have to do in order to connect your bank account to Wise. But because my country isn't enabled, I'm going to focus on the card section here. From this card section, I can add my custom card to receive money directly into Wise. Again, this option is yet again not available in my country, so what we can do is add ourselves as a recipient of the money we want to receive. So what we can do is go to Receipts, select Add Receipt, and from here, choose yourself as the recipient because you want to receive the money directly into your bank account. It's important to select the currency you wish to receive. If your bank account uses a different currency though, simply select the currency of your choice. Then, make sure to provide your full legal name as it appears on your bank account details and the relevant details for your chosen currency. Now, once you've confirmed all of those receipts, your account should be created and added automatically. Now simply select the money you want to receive and proceed to send it. And of course, when sending, make sure you send the money directly to yourself, specifically to the recipient account that you just made. Once that's all done, simply go back to the home section and you should see the transaction added automatically. By clicking on the transaction, you can find all the details, including the amount received, updates, and even transfer information. Important thing to note though is that there may be some fees when converting between currencies. Wise generally offers competitive rates compared to other transfer services like PayPal. And that's really all there is to withdrawing money from Wise to your local bank account. If you have any other questions or inquiries regarding these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, or subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.